hope everybody's doing great, and welcome to Jake and Me Van Life. If you don't know me, my name is Missy, and I have named my van Jake after my beloved cat. So, and his name is Jake. So welcome to my channel. I am now in Quartzsite, Arizona. I've been here, let's see, this is day 3. And I moved. Yesterday I came over to Skaddenwash, and I know a bunch of people over here. So I moved over here, and my friend Eva's going to come join me over here too today. But I'm excited. I got me a new kitchen sink because I don't know when I'm going to install my kitchen sink or get a kitchen sink. But until then, I had to get a new kitchen sink because my other one, what happens is when they're collapsible along the seams, it'll start splitting. And it lasted 2.5 years, so I really can't complain. This one was $13.99, and if it lasts me 2 years, I'll never complain. But I do find I like the rectangle shape better than the square shape, which is what I had. And the thing is, I don't ever put this down because I keep stuff in it. This stuff on my bed here is usually in it every day. Yeah, I'll get out my water pick. And I don't know if y'all use one of these nasal flushes because I have bad allergies, as you see, because I'm always doing that, right? But it does help when I use my nasal flush. So if you have allergies, you might want to try that. It really does ward off sinus infections and stuff. My doctor got me doing that. So now I'm dedicated. I don't do it every day. I do it about twice a week. And that's just enough to help me out somewhat. So I went into town. And I feel so silly because you know what? They've had this market store called Roadrunner Market or Roadrunner Grocery. I don't know. It's Roadrunner something. And I always drove by it but never stopped because I thought it was, I don't know what I thought. Oh, I thought it was a meat butcher. I thought it was like a butcher store because all outside the building have, you know, fresh meat, ribs, blah, blah, blah. So someone told me, oh no, you got to go there. Just wait till you see all the fresh foods that have been pre-made. They have a fresh meat department. And boy, was I impressed. Their prices are quite high, but what do you expect in Quartzsite? And people here are friendly, but it's a blink through town and there's not much in the way of retail. So I'm not surprised. As an example, my coffee cream, okay, the bottle that's like this, not the huge one, but the regular one, I like to get the cream, coffee cream, and back home I pay $3 something for a bottle. Here it's $7, $6.99.
Oh my God!
So today I went in and I got green leaf lettuce, which was $2.99 for the bundle. You know, that wasn't super expensive. Definitely a little bit more expensive than back home. I think I pay, it's $1. What do I pay? Usually, actually, I don't usually buy this. I used to years ago, but I like buying those bags of ready-made salad mixes. And at King Soopers back home, you can get 2 for sometimes $5, sometimes $6, 2 bags and all. So I usually get that, but they don't have that there. It's a small store. So this was $2.99 and it's fresh. It looks great. Some green onions for my salad, which I love. So I got those 2 things. The tomato was 44 cents, Roman tomato. It's not bad at all. And something I'm going to try is snowflake rolls. Let's see if I can get them. You see them. They have, it looks like a powder on top of them. But oh my gosh, they are so soft and fresh. So I asked this man that was picking up a bag, I said, excuse me, I've never had snowflake rolls. What are they, what kind of rolls are they? Are they like yeast rolls? Or what? He says they're yeast rolls, and they're the best rolls you've ever had. He said, I come here every couple of days and get a bag because he said, my wife and I just love them. And then the guy at the butcher guy told me, he goes, we can't keep those in stock, so you better grab one while you can. So I'm excited to try these. Well, these were $2.99 for a bag, and there's 2 for 6 rolls in it. A little pricey, but not bad. Just a little pricey. And is that all I got? I got the green onions, I got the rolls, and the lettuce. And it was $7 and some change. So it wasn't too bad, really. And I was thrilled to get some fresh lettuce. This will last me a few salads. So I'm going to wash these up, get it all cleaned up, and then I'm going to put it away in the fridge. I'm just telling you about what I'm doing so far. I just got back from going into town, dumped my garbage, and then stopped at the Roadrunner market. Now I'm going to do this. And guess what is on our plans for today, folks? Remember that drone that I got for Christmas from my daughter and son-in-law? Well, I'm going to go out and try it. It's a little windy, but I don't think it's windy enough to affect it. I would also like to get up my new tarp cover for shade. It's really neat. I only paid $20, $19.97, I think, on Amazon. It was on sale on Black Friday. $20. I couldn't pass it up. Well, I got really nice upgraded poles. And because I know anywhere I go camping, there's wind, especially in Arizona. So I got upgraded poles, and then I got extra durable cords, to tie them down with and all too. So I want to get that accomplished today. But I'm going to go ahead and wash this stuff up, and I'll be back, because when I am going to try my drone out in a little while, I'm guessing it's going to make me really a laughing stock, and that's okay. Anything to entertain my friends on YouTube, right? I mean, Quartzsite's nothing to talk about. It's the event, the WRTR, women's RTR, and then the regular RTR that everybody comes together. It's that event, but that's not what brings me here particularly. I come here to see all the friends I've made and socialize, because they tend to run a lot of the same topics, but they may change the title to it, maybe add a little flair or something. But this be my third year. I have only gone out there to hand out stickers to Jake and Me VanLife channel. And they wouldn't let me lay any around on the tables or anything, so I had to hand them out specifically. And I have 500 stickers, and I'm not handing out 500 stickers. That's a lot of standing time on these poor legs of mine and my back. So I'll give them to everybody that I meet and come along the way, and my friends that are here, because I didn't have these stickers last year when I was here. So that's why I come out here. But the town, it's a quaint little town. People are very nice, but there's not a lot there for sure. There's no Walmart in town. There's no chain grocery store. It's mom and pop, which I love mom and pop businesses. All the businesses here are mom and pop. So not a lot of choices if you have something that you need. So you may go to Yuma or to Parker, or Blythe is small. But there are options. You just may have to drive to go to them. Okay, folks, I'm going to cut this off now, and I'll see you when I get the drone out, okay? All right. I hope everybody has an incredible day. What did I do with my little clicker? I lose crap so fast. I tell you what. It's my remote, and I don't know where I stuck it. Okay, well, anyhow, I'll see you guys after a while when I get the drone out, as long as it doesn't get windier or more windy. Bye now.